Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in Coinmate Exchange. When you enter the website, click on sign up. You can register with bank ID or email. We choose email. Enter your email and password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, plus minimum 8 character or more. If you want to receive a newsletters, etc. about cryptocurrencies, click here. Then after entering all the informations, click on sign up with email. We're going to receive a verification link in order to verify our email. Go to your email, click on Coinmate, then click on verify your email. Our email was activated. Enter your email and password, then click on login. Then we entered our account's dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in Coinmate Exchange. Good luck.